And now for present tense stem changers. Let's take a look first at the verb tener. Notice the forms, the verb endings for regular ER verbs. Tengo, that's a regular. Tenes, tene, tenemos, and finally tenen. With stem changers, in this case with tener, the E in the stem changes to IE. Notice, however, it only changes with tu, la usted, and eos, eas, ustedes forms. Go ahead and copy this slide, students. Once again, go ahead and copy the slide. A better example is with querer. Notice quiero, quieres, quiere, queremos, quieren. With the stem changing, change the E to IE in the stem. Notice, do not stem change the nosotros form. As a matter of fact, never stem change the nosotros form. Just don't do it. Just say no to stem changing the nosotros form. Students, what you just copied down are E to IE stem changing verbs. They all stem change E to IE except for the nosotros forms. Notice venir, to come, is very much like tener, only the T's change to V's. Vienes, viene, venimos, IMOS, and vienen. Notice with preferir, prefiero, prefieres, prefiere, preferimos, prefieren. If a verb has 3 syllables, always change the second syllable. Another stem changer is despertarse, to wake up. Go ahead, students, and please copy all of the slide. Along with E to IE stem changing verbs, there are also O to UE stem changing verbs. Notice with almorzar. Stem change the O to UE. The stem is in the first part. Almuerzo, almuerzas, almuerza, almorzamos, almuerzan. Poder. Stem change the O to UE, to can or be able to. Puedo, puedes, puede, podemos, and finally pueden. Jugar. Technically U to UE. Juego, juegas, juega, jugamos, juegan. And finally, dormir, to sleep. Duermo, duermes, duerme, dormimos. And finally, duermen. Note, students, once again, do not stem change the nosotros form. Again, don't stem change the nosotros form. Go ahead, students, and copy all of this slide. Once again, please copy all of this slide. The last grouping of stem changers are E to I stem changing verbs. Pedir, to order or ask for. Pido, pides, pide, pedimos, piden. Servir, to serve. Sirvo, sirve, sirve. Servimos, sirven. Repetir, to repeat. Repito, repites, repite, repetimos, repiten. Seguir, to follow or continue. Sigo, drop the U. Sigues, sigue, seguimos, siguen. Decir, to say or tell. Change the C to a G. Digo in the yo form. Dices, dice, decimos, and finally dicen. Once again, note, don't stem change the nosotros form. At this time, students, please copy all of this slide. Once again, please copy all of this slide. Students, you need to know which verbs are the stem changers and what they mean. First, let's go over E to IE. Querer, to want. Preferir, stem change the second E, to prefer. Empezar, stem change the second E, to begin. Comenzar also means to begin. Comprender and entender, to understand. Venir, to come. Tener, to have. Pensar, to think or plan. And perder, to lose, waste, or miss. OTUE stem changers are jugar, to play a sport. Almorzar, to eat lunch. Dormir, to sleep. And poder, to can or be able to. And finally, E to I stem changing verbs. Pedir, to order or ask for. Repetir, to repeat. Seguir, to follow, continue. Servir, to serve. And decir, to say or tell. At this time, students, please copy all of this slide. Once again, please copy all of this slide. This concludes the video on affirmative and negative words and the stem changers in the present tense. Thank you for watching this video.